Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I would like to share you how to make the video about the roadmap to be the copywriter, and here we will use the Pictory AI. How to do that? So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, here I prefer to access the Pictory AI with my PC or via website to get more spacious view. And after that you can find this Pictory AI out into the Google, and this will be the recommendation. You can click this Pictory AI, the AI video generator, and don't forget to do the login first with your email. Log in like this. And after the login or the sign up process, this will be the home page of this Pictory AI. As you can see that this Pictory AI will give you several chances to create the video by transforming from the text, URL, even the image, and also the PowerPoint file. And also this Pictory AI will help you to create the video or do the video editing, I'm sorry, and also the recording. And for example, you can start off the video from the text over here, and I will show you the example. I would like to create the video about the roadmap to be the copywriter. You can start off the idea with this prompt. The roadmap to be a copywriter. There will be also the skill tool and also the free learning platform. And after that you can start to choose the platform. It means about the platform that you will use to present or post this video. And after that you can choose the length of this video. For example, I choose this to become 1 minute and continue to click generate. And after that the script will be automatically made by this AI like this guys. And the video length will be 1 minute and 18 seconds, and the ratio I will choose this 60 and 9, and I will continue to generate the video and kindly wait for the next process. So the previous script will be transformed into the scene by scene, for example, and also the every scene itself will also show you the picture that also present about the script or the message in the script itself. And for the waiting process over here, it might be take 1 minute until 5 minutes, depends on the complexity of your video. And the video is almost ready. And this will be the scene that will show you the every single scene of this video. And if you would like to change this script, you can simply edit, give it a double click and edit it. And after that, you can also add the visual and also the audio if you would want this every single script being read by these people or being narrated. You can simply preview and generate and apply like this guys. And after that you can continue to download the video without the watermark. So that's all guys, I hope this video found you helpful, and if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on a comment down below because we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Bye guys.